Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DGLY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where this green line here is coming from. But you got to give credit where credit's due. A very impressive movement. I mean, let's just keep in mind what the chart looked like before today. So, I mean, going into today on Wednesday, the chart was looking pretty shaky. I mean, the price had made a very nice move up, and then all of a sudden, a whole lot of downwards momentum hit it. So it was a very valid concern to think, is this the beginning of the end? Is this thing going to head right back to where it started? And we got the answer today, and as of now, absolutely not. In fact, the price bounced up very, very nicely and is now working on building some higher bases of support. That newest area of support, what I would consider the ideal level, right here at the lows from this afternoon at $1.28. Now, $1.28 and calling that an ideal level, meaning that's just a way of saying, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest forward? Definitely, staying up above that $1.28 mark. But it's not like that's a do or die level. Meaning if the price falls below there, that doesn't imply the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that, because there are still other areas of support down below. You have not only, the level here that I talked about on Tuesday, but now you have this purple line there, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So from a more so a broader sense, as long as the price is above that purple line, then that implies that the trend is still fully in the bull's favor. So again, all that just to say that, sure, if the price can stay above $1.28, that would definitely be a big sign of power, but by no means is that some sort of must-hold level or anything like that. What about areas of resistance now going forward? Initial level of resistance going into Thursday going to be right here at the $1.50 mark. And if $1.50 can be broken, then after that, it's just pretty much, not pretty much, it is where the party stopped on Tuesday up there at the $1.70 mark. So yeah, I get it. $1.70 is fun to talk about because it is fun to talk about going to previous highs and breaking new highs and all that. But in many situations, as is the case here, usually there's an initial bridge that first needs to be cleared. And in this situation, that first bridge right there at $1.50. But overall, like I said, an impressive showing of strength, because yesterday, as I illustrated, there's a lot of downwards momentum going into it, but the price recovered nicely. And now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.